SEO means search engine optimization. It sounds like a cool name and also a little difficult to understand, but it's actually very simple. The SEO is formed by a lot of algorithms that are following certain rules and calculations to make your search better and more accurate. How does the SEO works? Okay, it works with keywords and backlinks. Now, keywords. We already talked about them and we're still going to talk about them during this course again, but I assume it's kind of clear, the meaning of keywords, but I'm going to give you an example. For this example, we're here in Google and let's look for Japanese, here it is, Japanese fried rice. And as we can see in the results, we have here Japanese fried rice, yakimeshi, because that's the name of the Japanese fried rice, again, Japanese fried rice. So exactly what I looked for is here. Those are the keywords. Now you see here, for example, in Wikipedia, it says chahan. You will say, but that's not a keyword. But if you go to the meaning of chahan here in Wikipedia, you see also known as yakimeshi, that it means is a Japanese fried rice. So these are all keywords that makes all of these to be here. If you go a little bit down, you can even see videos here. Quick Japanese fried rice. So you see the YouTube videos that are recommended here because of the keywords. Now the question is here, why these pages are on the top here? NoRecipes.com, chopstickchronicles.com, etc. And those pages are here because a lot of people are watching them, and also because other pages are recommending these pages. That's why they are going to be in the top, and those are called backlinks, when other pages are recommending other pages, like I was saying. So this is basically what the SEO is doing, recommending pages, recommending videos based in the search that you did, and that's because of the algorithms are using the keywords and the backlinks. Keywords are very important, but now let's talk about backlinks. When we search something in Google, the top pages that appear there are not just there because of keywords, but also because of backlinks. If a web page has a lot of keywords, it doesn't mean that that page is relevant for your search. But if that web page is also recommended by other web pages, then that is relevant, and that is what is called backlink. Now let's talk about SEO on YouTube. It works basically very similar, keywords and backlinks. When we talk about keywords, we already mentioned that it's good to use keywords in your title, your description, you have the tags on the bottom when you put a video, those are also the keywords, and also in the name of the file that you are uploading. Now what about the backlinks in YouTube? The backlinks in YouTube are basically the interaction that the people are having with your video, the users that are watching your videos. If a person is commenting your video, if a person is answering comments from your video, or putting a like in your video, or subscribing to your channel because of that video, is basically recommending the video because it's showing interest in your video. This is one of the backlinks in YouTube. Another one is the viewer retention. That means how much time the viewer is watching your video. Don't worry that we're going to talk about interaction and viewer retention further in this course. But as an example, if you have a video of 10 minutes and I watch 1 minute of the video and then I just go out of the video to watch another, that's 10% of viewer retention, and it's not good. That's why you have to make your videos entertaining and also with good quality. If you dominate the keywords, the viewer retention, and the interaction, basically you dominate the SEO. Leave your comments below if you have any questions, and don't forget to subscribe.